not working, are you kidding me?
Currently being revived, over.
So I just tie it on your arm, right?
Yeah.
Let me cover and move it.
Second, don't go anywhere.
Other way. There you go.
He's down. Get down, get down, get down. You're taking contact from your right. Get all, never mind. Alright, covering. Left, 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Give fire for him to fall back. Ryan, give fire for him to fall back as the objective. He's still here. Go, go, go.
Watch out, there's guys to the right. There's guys to the right. Move all the way.
All right, Ryan, on me, go. 11 o'clock bunker, 11 o'clock bunker.
Where? 11 o'clock bunker?
Yeah, on the other side of the hill coming up. All right, let's fall back. Let's get out of here.
Yeah. Go.
All right, you ready? Go. Ryan, keep moving back. It's dead. No, EOD's down there.
Positive.
Positive. That's a friendly down there. Keep falling back, keep falling back. Pat, we're falling back. Go. Keep on the hill. You're next, you're next.
All right, we're not taking fire. Everybody go for one.
All right, let's go. Eggsville, Eggsville. Kyle, you got 2 to your left. He's down, 1 down. Rally on Drew, rally on Drew.
5 guys downhill.
Contact EOD now.
Medic, we got like 6 guys down here. 5 guys down up here. Still not.
Real quiet, man. Have Kyle talk or something.
Yep. He's you're 1 o'clock. 1, single.
Eyes out, all action. Now let them move up. Stay moving, let us go. So we can get fire. Get up here. Keep an eye over there.
Ministries or something?
Good. These have got to be here by the end, at the end of the day.
Got you. Left. What's the situation? Where are they? We're going to be moving on your left. Engage them. O'clock. Heads up, get down.
Sound gunner is not down. Sound gunner is not down.
One of these is only half full. It's going to you guys. Just one of you guys took this one for you guys?
For us?
Yeah.
Like to use?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Come on, go.
That out at UCP?
Go. Thank you. Much is good. Yes.
Not a problem. We appreciate the
the goods you provided, so we provide you with a service.
We try our best. All right, let's head back.